Busy Signal took the stage at DC Park, east of Honiara, on Saturday, performing before a massive crowd. Alex Dadamu met with Busy Signal upon his arrival at Henderson Airport.
Busy Signal landed in the country at 6 p.m. on Saturday evening and jumped straight into action, performing live for a massive crowd at DC Park east of Honiara. The Jamaican dancehall and reggae superstar Reanno Devon Gordon, better known by his stage name Busy Signal, was in the country for a one-night show. Known for global hits such as One More Night and Comfort Zone, he received a warm Solomon Islands welcome upon arrival, with traditional panpipers and excited fans greeted him at the Honiara International Airport.
It's just such love. It's all love. You know what I mean? We're here to represent the music, the people, and just love and just the empowerment of the people and worldwide love and blessing across the people.
He urged everyone to enjoy the moment and make the most of the night.
We just want the people to enjoy themselves. We just want to live for the music of the people the best way we can. You know what I mean? And just see the people just enjoy as Mr. Mary and just love across the world.
Crowds had gathered at DC Park as early as yesterday morning, eager to see the Jamaican icon perform live on stage for the first time. Alex Dadamu for SIBC TV.